Jaipur is a city located in the Indian state of Rajasthan. It is also known as the Pink City due to the distinct color of its buildings. Jaipur is a popular tourist destination known for its beautiful palaces, forts, and temples. Let's know some top attractions and best time to visit Jaipur. So please watch this video till the end. Amer Fort, also known as Amer Fort, is a historic fort located in Amer, a town located about 11 kilometers from Jaipur. The fort was built in the 16th century by Raja Man Singh I, who was one of the trusted generals of Emperor Akbar. The fort is also famous for its Sheesh Mahal, or the Palace of Mirrors, which is a hall with walls and ceilings covered in thousands of tiny mirrors. The City Palace in Jaipur is a historic palace complex located in the heart of the Pink City of Jaipur. It was built in the 18th century by Maharaja Sawai Pratap Singh II, who as the founder of Jaipur. The City Palace is a stunning example of Rajasthani and Mughal architecture and is a popular tourist attraction. Hawa Mahal is a palace located in the Pink City of Jaipur. It was built in 1799 by Maharaja Sawai Pratap Singh and is one of the most popular tourist attractions. The palace was built for the women of the royal household to observe the street festivals and processions without being seen by the public. Visitors can explore the palace and climb up to the top floors to get a panoramic view of the city. Nahargarh Fort is a historic fort located in Jaipur. The fort was built in 1734 by Maharaja Sawai Pratap Singh II, the founder of Jaipur. It is situated on the Aravalli Hills and overlooks the city of Jaipur. According to legend, the fort was named after a prince named Nahar Singh who was killed by a tiger while hunting the area. Albert Hall Museum is known as the Government Central Museum and was built in 1876 during the reign of Maharaja Sawai Ram Singh II. The museum is named after Prince Albert Edward, who visited Jaipur in 1876. The museum has a large collection of artifacts including paintings, sculptures, weapons, and musical instruments. Jagar Fort is a historical fort built by Maharaja Jai Singh II in 1726 to protect the Amer Fort and the palace complex from enemy attacks. The fort is also known as Victory Fort and is situated on a hill called the Chil Ka Tila, or Hill of Eagles. The Jagar Fort is famous for its massive cannon called Chaibana, which was once the world's largest cannon of wheels. Galtaji Temple is an ancient Hindu pilgrim site located in the towns of Kanabalaji, about 10 kilometers from Jaipur. The temple complex is also known as the Monkey Temple, as it is inhabited by a large number of monkeys. The Galtaji Temple complex consists of several temples, pavilions, and natural water springs. Jal Mahal is a palace located in the middle of Mansagar Lake in Jaipur. The palace was built in the 18th century by Maharaja Sawai Pratap Singh as a hunting lodge for the royal family. The palace is a 5-story building, out of which 4 stories remain submerged underwater. The topmost story of the palace is visible above the water level, and it is built in the Rajput architectural style. Patrika Gate is a popular tourist attraction in Jaipur. The gate was built as an entrance to the Jawhar Circle Garden in Jaipur, and it was opened to the public in 2016. The Patrika Gate is a must-visit attraction for anyone visiting Jaipur. It is a beautiful example of the rich art and culture of Rajasthan. The best time to visit Jaipur is during the winter months, from November to February. During this time, the weather is pleasant with temperatures ranging from 10 degrees centigrade to 25 degrees centigrade, making it ideal for sightseeing and outdoor activities. The summer months from March to June can be scorching, with temperatures often soaring above 40 degrees centigrade, making it uncomfortable for tourists to roam around in the sun. Please leave a comment about Jaipur and subscribe the channel to stay with us.